In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to use Seamless AI. So I'll go over all of its features and basically how you can use them. So to get started, I'll leave a link to Seamless AI down in the description. And from here, you can simply enter your business email and then click sign up for free. And then as you can see, you can get 50 free leads through the link in the description. And from here, you just want to enter all of these details, so your full name, title, company, etc. And after doing that, click on agree and continue. So after you do that, you can also get the Google Chrome extension where you will get 20 credits. And the Chrome extension allows you to find cell phones, emails, and direct dials for anyone in seconds. So you can just go and click add to Chrome. It's free if you're using Chrome, and then simply click add to Chrome and then add extension. And then you can go back to Seamless AI and then you can just click skip for now, even though you did do it. And then it will take you to the Seamless AI dashboard. Now from here, you can actually get started with it. So Seamless AI has a huge database of over 1.36 billion contacts and 121 million companies. So if you want to find someone, what you can do is first just filter by any of these filters here, such as keywords, location, department, the full name, company, etc. So if you're looking for info from a specific person, they can just enter their full name and then you will be able to find it. And that is basically the contact search, but you can also go by company and then you can search for companies and you can filter by revenue, employee size, etc. Now, one really cool feature, which I think is one of the best, is the buyer intent. So you can click on it right here, and then here you can add intent topics. So what are they interested in buying? Now, these are the available intent topics right now. For example, under marketing, you could say that they are interested in healthcare advertising. And for this, you will need to upgrade. As you can see, I don't have any topics available right now, but this is very cool in my opinion. Now, if you already have a list of contacts, you can also enrich that list by uploading it right here. Then it's going to find whatever you want for them, such as their email and phone number. Here in the ROI section, you can see your return on investment of using Seamless AI. You can kind of track if it is actually worth it for you. You also have an AI writer, which you can use for several different things, such as voicemails, LinkedIn messages, sales emails, and more. So you can just write a prompt right here or click on one of the available ones, such as a voicemail, and then click on send, and then it's going to write it for you. If you click on onboarding right here after you've created your account, you also see some other steps that you can take. So you can create your list, search for leads, set your goals, and even book in a demo. Now, in the meantime, you can see it has created this voicemail and you can just use that. Now, the Seamless AI Chrome extension is also very helpful. So if you have Chrome and you've installed it, you can just click on the extension right here and then click Seamless AI. And then from here, you can see it just opens up this tab, and this works in any tab that you're in on Chrome. And you can really easily find a contact. So you can just enter their title, their company or website, and the name. Now you could also search for example, marketing manager at a specific website that you are looking for. And as you can see, when you start typing, it actually shows you some companies that they have in their database. And then from here, you can just find the owner of that specific company. So it's really easy. You can then click find right there, and then it will find where they are located, their professional email address, their personal email address, and even their phone number. And you can add a CRM integration to Seamless AI, and it integrates with all of these CRMs. So it includes Pipedrive, Salesforce, HubSpot, and most of the major CRMs. And then you can just add them to your pipeline and start doing outreach to them. So that's basically how you can use Seamless AI. So it's a really good tool for finding leads as a B2B business and just finding the right person to contact at pretty much any company. Because again, they have over 1.36 billion contacts, so you can find pretty much anyone you are most likely looking for that works at a specific business. If this Seamless AI tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And again, if you want to get started with Seamless AI for free and get 50 credits for free as well, you can sign up through the link down in the description. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.